Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be taking out this gas pedal. So if you want to take it off, all you gotta do is just grab either a flathead screwdriver or something like this and just pop it right here, right in there. That comes out. Looks like this. Then you have a nut in there. It's 10 millimeter. What you want to do is, this is how I'm gonna use it, but you can probably use a regular wrench. So what you're gonna do is just unscrew it. Once you loosen that, this comes off and that comes down, and then you have a plug right here. What you want to do is press on both sides, on this side and that side, and it's supposed to come off. And some of them might be hard because if it's been there for a while, but yeah, that's how you do it. And then you have to press it, hold it hard, maybe use just carefully something to pry it so you don't break anything, or plastic. But pretty much you have to press on this side and on this side, both sides. Press, hold, and then that should come out. See, right, this comes out. So all it's holding is on this side and on the opposite side. And there you is, your gas pedal's off. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.